Okay, so here's a video for slope because some of us might need it. So 8th grade slope, this is the formula again for slope. Okay, all of this, but we're only really worried about this part right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and work on this one. I'm only gonna show you one example because with one example you should be able to do all of them. So let me go ahead and get my formula number down. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. How did I get this? From the formula up top. Okay, so I got 2 points. I got this one and I got this one. I know in an ordered pair, because that's what we worked on last week, in ordered pair, the x comes first, the y comes second. Okay, so and I got an x here because that comes first and a y comes second. I got an x here, y, right? Now all that's left is to give these things numbers. So if you don't remember from last December, I was talking about you can't mix and match. So these either have to be 1, 1, 2, 2, or 2, 2, 1, 1. It cannot be 1, 2, 2, 1. That's mixing and matching. You can't do that. So let's go ahead and just label these how they were. 1, 1, 2, 2. What the heck? 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay. So my formula is asking for my y2 first. And my y2 is 4. So 4 minus my y1, which is 6, over my x2, which is 8, and then my x1, which is 2. So we know we got 4 minus 6 equals -2. Okay, how do I know that? There's 4 positives, 6 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These cancel out. I'm left with 2 negatives. And then 8 minus 2 is just 6. Okay. We can stop here, or we can realize that these are both even numbers, and we can divide it by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 would give you -1, over 6 divided by 2 would equal 3. And then that would be our answer. Okay. This works for every single problem. All right. Now we need to go over some stuff. So let's say, for example, let's pretend this is a whole new problem. Okay. Let's pretend we have the ordered pairs 2, -6 and 8, -4. Now let's keep it positive 4. Let's just make one negative. X, Y, 1, 1, 2, 2. This is just an example, guys. So M equals y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. All right, let me plug these things in. We got M equals my y2 is 4 minus my y1, which is -6. Notice I'm writing the negative. I didn't leave it blank. Okay, I did not leave it blank like this, because this isn't right. This is not correct. Okay, the 6 is negative, so we need to make sure that we put in an extra negative. So -6. Okay, even if it's negative, you still got to put the sign. And if you remember from last quarter, all that stuff like that, you know that putting two negatives together makes them both positive, which would give us +10. Okay, this is just an example down here. Down here, this is a real answer. Real answer. All right. Everything's the same. You gotta do the same stuff. Down here, you gotta connect after finding the slope. All right.